Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of unboxing. This is the NES Classic Edition, which I just got. Very exciting because they're sold out. They got sold out very quickly again. Just to show off the packaging. And here you see this is the 30 games. So what's exciting, there's like other Super Mario Brothers, Castlevania, Galaga, mentioned Mario Brothers, Final Fantasy. It's very exciting. So that's the bottom. Okay, let's go ahead and open it. What's really nice is there's no stickers anywhere, so like there's no tape, so I can just easily open it. Now you're playing with power. Nintendo Entertainment System. What's the manual? Manual or something? Oh wow, looks like a poster. Too bad it doesn't come with a gun, or at least I don't think it does. So that's the instruction guide. Okay, let's see what's in here. Yeah. Oh wow, this is the console. It is very, very small. Oh, wow, so cute. So, this is a power button, reset button. Doesn't really feel like the original, but it's very tactile. 1 and 2. This doesn't open. Air vents. HDMI port, and I guess this is the power part, and it does have the HDMI label on the side. At the bottom there is the power rating and the licenses, and with the serial number at the bottom. So very nice, very solid looking device, but it's quite light. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Oh, the controller. Okay, so this is the controller. Oh wow, looks like just the original. Looks just like the original. It feels really good. It feels identical to the original actually. Oh, and it comes with a power adapter. Nice. And I guess the rest is cables. Oh, HDMI cable. Oh, it's nice it comes with that. And what is this? Oh, this is the power adapter cable. Oh, perfect. So it comes with everything you need to get started. Alright, well, thank you for watching this video. I'll talk to everybody later.